At the beginning of 2023, Microsoft announced Copilot for 365 apps, but still we are not seeing the Copilot anytime soon. But for now, there are some third-party add-ins that can act as a Copilot for your 365 apps. So if you have the Microsoft 365 apps, you just open the Word. At the Home tab, you can see an option Add-ins. Add-ins are like they add extra functionality to your Office apps. So I click on Add-ins, and these are my pre-installed add-ins, and these are the list of some popular add-ins. If you want to explore more add-ins, just click on Get Add-ins. So I want an alternate of Copilot for Word. So for this, I'll click this GPT for Excel Word. If you can't find this, just click on Get Add-ins, and I'll search here GPT for Excel. Click search, and GPT for Excel Word. I'll click add. Continue. Within few seconds, we have our GPT for Excel Word as an add-in. So in this, we can ask the question, fix grammar, translate to, change style, summarize, shorten, or expand. So say for example, if I type, write an essay on climate change, and I click send. So as you can see that it's automatically generating my essay on climate change. So it will take few seconds to complete the essay. So if I click on insert, it inserts the essay on climate change in my Word. If I click on clear chat, and if I want to change the style to academic, I again click send. I can help you change the style to academic. Please provide me with the text selection that you would like me to modify accordingly. So I'll click here, change style to academic. I click on again send. As you can see that when I highlighted the paragraph and I type here change style to academic, and it changes the style to academic, so I'll just click on replace. So the style of my essay is academic. I'll click on clear chat. So you have different options. You can ask questions, fix grammar. If you have already written a text, you can fix the grammar or spelling. You can translate to in other languages, and you have many functions in this. GPT for Excel Word can act your Copilot in Word.